Hi friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will tell you about valuable coin 1974 Singapore 50-cent coin. Ladies and gentlemen, coin enthusiasts from around the world, welcome back to Numismatic's Coin 1. Today, get ready to be blown away as we dive deep into the fascinating world of numismatics. We're about to uncover the mind-boggling secrets behind the 1974 Singapore 50-cent coin, a seemingly ordinary piece of currency that could be worth millions of dollars. Stay tuned as we unravel the incredible journey of this coin and explore its hidden treasures. The 1974 Singapore 50-cent coin, behold, the 1974 Singapore 50-cent coin. At first glance, it might look like just another coin, but trust me, this unassuming piece holds immense value and a captivating history that will leave you astonished. The 1974 Singapore 50-cent coin. Before we get into the mind-blowing valuations, let's understand the background. Minted in 1974, this coin holds a special place in Singapore's history. But what makes it truly extraordinary are the rare variations that exist, turning some of these coins into highly sought-after collector's items. Rare variations. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Some 1974 Singapore 50-cent coins have unique variations, minting errors, limited editions, or special commemoratives. These variations are what collectors dream of, and finding one could mean hitting the jackpot. Valuation factors. So, what factors make these coins worth millions? First, rarity plays a significant role. The fewer coins of a particular variation exist, the higher the value. Second, condition matters. Coins in pristine condition fetch top dollar. Lastly, demand among collectors drives up prices, especially for historically significant or exceptionally rare variations. Amazing valuations. Hold on to your hats, because recent auctions and sales have seen these rare 1974 Singapore 50-cent coins selling for mind-boggling amounts, from hundreds of thousands to even millions of dollars. Can you believe it? That coin in your pocket could be worth a small fortune. How to identify? Identifying these rare variations might seem daunting, but fear not. Look for mint marks, unusual designs, or errors like double strikes or off-center minting. Consulting expert coin collectors or using online resources can help you distinguish the valuable coins from the ordinary ones. This coin value in market $4.90 millions. There you have it, folks. The 1974 Singapore 50-cent coin, a tiny piece of history that could turn your life around. Imagine stumbling upon one of these rare variations. It's like finding treasure in your own pocket. If you found this information as thrilling as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible coin discoveries, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Who knows, your comment might just lead to our next numismatic adventure. Have you ever found a rare coin unexpectedly? We want to hear your stories. And if you have any questions about coins or collecting, drop them in the comments. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy coin hunting. Wishing you good luck and happy collecting, everyone. Stay tuned for more thrilling